We're in Algonquin Park on Access 4 on Rain Lake. She's too cute. No. Hi. It is September, 3rd? We're in Algonquin Park on Access 4 on Rain Lake. Heading to Sawyer for tonight, then Moccasin for a night, and then back here to Rain Lake for one night. Got the baby with us. Vicka. Hopefully we can beat the rain today. It's supposed to rain tonight, so hopefully we get to camp before then. It's pretty nice so far. It's like 18 degrees, a little overcast. Sawyer's Lake. Well, we made it to our site on Sawyer Lake. We're at the furthest site closest to the portage. Probably the nicest site on the lake, I'd say. It took us, 2 hours to get here? Less than that? Less than 2 hours. Double carry on the portage. Bit of rain, but nothing too serious. Becca's getting some wood for us. Tonight on the menu we're having some steaks, some zucchini from the garden, and some potatoes from the garden. Gonna put those in some tin foil and roast them up. Should be delicious.
Don't eat its foot. Oh.
Oh, that's disgusting. It's morning day 2. We're still on Sawyer's Lake. I think we're gonna stay here tonight. We were gonna go to Moccasin, but weather isn't really cooperating, so with the little one, I think we'll just err on the side of caution and just stay here. A little cool, but still very nice. How was it? What's your favorite part? So on the second night of our Algonquin canoe camping trip, we're having black bean pasta. Here's the final product we used. What was it? Black bean noodles? Black bean noodles. Didn't really hold up too good, but still tastes like spaghetti.